Welcome to Guess the Animal! Today, we're venturing into the expansive grasslands to discover the majestic ruler of the savannah. Are you ready to play? Let's embark on this thrilling safari adventure. Here's your first clue. Take a look at this close-up image of a magnificent mane. This thick, bushy hair is a distinctive feature of our mystery animal. Can you guess which grasslands animal this might be? Think about it for a moment. Your next clue. This animal has a powerful build, equipped for hunting and defending its territory. Its strong muscles and sturdy frame make it a formidable predator. Does this clue help you figure out which grasslands animal it could be? Here's another hint. This animal is often referred to as the king of the jungle. It commands respect and admiration from other creatures in the grasslands. Have you guessed which animal it is yet? Here's one more clue. This animal lives in prides, consisting of a dominant male, several lionesses, and their cubs. They work together to hunt and protect their territory. Now, can you guess what animal this is? Let's recap. Our mystery animal has a majestic mane, a powerful build, is known as the king of the jungle, and lives in prides. Can you guess what it is? Shout out your answers! If you guessed a lion, you're absolutely right! Lions are the iconic rulers of the African savannah. Exuding strength, power, and grace. Great job, everyone! Did you know that lions are the only cats that live in groups? They spend most of their time resting and conserving energy. But they are also skilled hunters, capable of taking down large prey like zebras and wildebeests. Lions have a distinctive roar that can be heard up to 5 miles away. Aren't they fascinating? Thanks for playing Guess the Animal! We hope you had fun and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting animal adventures. See you next time.
Goodbye.